Hi, now we'll observe how to use this environmental locking for multiple process. Here, this is our collection. This is our shared resource. This shared resource, when we are using in another process, how the environmental locking is going to work, we'll see. Before that, let me run the same process again, and then I will explain one more time clearly. So how this is going to work. Let's observe this. First, step over. So query like, observe this lock and then token. See this lock held false. It means lock is not available, right? None. It is going to create a lock. Token has been created means lock has been created. Once the lock is created, let's run this. It will finish the process. After that, it is going to release the lock. Once the lock is released, we can run the process again one more time. See this, again reset. Again, when I am running, it's running in a fast mode. Again, it will run and then it will finish the process. N number of times we cannot because a lock release also we have created in the same process. Now, for our better understanding, let me show you how to use this particular thing for shared resource. So what we discussed in previous session, lock name should be the same, right? Let me copy the complete process. Okay, I have copied. Let me create a new one in the same create a process NVOC. Okay, so this is the another process for environmental locking. Here we are using same shared resource. Means observe this same collection we are using here in this process also, and we are using same lock name. Okay, now let's keep both the process side by side. This is one process and then this is another process, right? So now we have two different processes. Consider these two are two different processes, and these in these two different process, both are using same shared resource. Is nothing but a collection, this collection, right? It means when one process is accessing the collection, another process should not access. That is the purpose. Here the dependency, or we can call it as a shared resource. Now let's observe this. We are starting this process here, reset. Now we are running. When this process is running, I'm trying to run this process here. See this here, what is token number is there, lock is false. Now observe this. What is this? Lock is true. When it is going to continue the process, when the lock is released here. When the lock is released here, then only it will start continuing the process. Now how many records here? So 14, almost completed. Well, yeah, now lock has been released. Now observe this. This is running. When this is running, during that time, when you run this one, it will not. Okay, block has been completed. So it will run. Okay, let me add in a normal mode. Okay, now this is running. When you are running this, it is not going to run because lock is true. When it will start? Once this is released. And like this, we are going to use environmental locking for different processes. Different process. Or when we are using shared resource, it can be, see this release log is completed. Now it has been started. When it started, now let me run this, try to run this process. Observe what happened. Lock is true because we are using in this concept, we are using same lock name and same resource. Lock name should be the same and then resource should be the same. Then only we can implement this environmental locking concept. All three actions we have to use in any process: query lock, acquire lock, and release lock. This is the concept of environmental locking. Thank you.